Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. We are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to find the best Black Friday deals on Amazon. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is simply head over and open up your Amazon app, and then once you're inside the app, be sure to be logged into your account as well. Then once logged into your account, what you need to do first here in order to have the best Black Friday deals is simply tap on the account icon on the bottom of your screen, and then under your orders you will find the option that says join Prime right here. Simply tap on that and follow the on-screen prompts to successfully be a member of Prime. And then once that's done, what you need to do is before Black Friday starts, add all your items to your cart by simply heading over to the search bar and then simply tapping on the product, and then simply tap on the option that says add to cart. Then once that's done on the app during the deals period, check those lists, and Amazon often highlights when wish list item going on discount. This way you don't have to hunt for each item again and you just monitor your favorites. Then just simply tap on the cart button, and then once you are inside your wish list, simply tap on the app, enable deal notifications or notify me of deals for items in your wish list. Then you can also head over and tap on the search bar, type in Black Friday deals 2025, then the Black Friday deals, if available, will be shown on your screen. All you gotta do is select the product that you want to add to your list, then simply tap on add to cart and then proceed to the payment section, and that's how you find the deals on the Black Friday in Amazon. So that's basically how you can do it, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have. See you soon on the next one.